My name is Alys and I am a performing arts student. I chose performing arts because I grew up absolutely loving it and honestly I couldn't imagine doing anything else. So I did the level 2 foundation course and it basically just trains you into what you need to learn for the level 3 course. We do a lot of dance, it's a very practical based course. So a lot of dance, a lot of singing, make sure our voices are warmed up. We learn a lot of different breathing techniques and everything. We spend a lot of time working on our technique in dance, ready for training in uni. The facilities here are absolutely amazing. We have a full-on incredible dance studio and a theatre and auditorium. So we're never short of practice spaces, and we also have so many ballet bars and mirrors to take everywhere with us, so we can always get a good lesson. I personally didn't like school very much, and I just felt the Coleg Gwent atmosphere was a lot nicer and a lot warmer, and the teachers, as much as they're still professional, it's a nice friendly environment, whereas you don't get that in school. I think the people you meet is really amazing. Everyone is from a different background, different areas. So there's always a fun story to learn in the corridor. So I've been accepted to LMA in the summer, which is a drama school. So in September I'll be going to London to train professionally for 3 years. I honestly, now that I'm here, I couldn't picture doing anything differently. It's so fun and you learn so much.